Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is a little bit longer than you used to see on our channel, but that's because we believe that this is a great idea that anyone can make in their own house, and we want to show you how we done it. Also, this is my first video where I will try to speak instead of writing, so I hope that it will be fine and understandable, as English is not my everyday language. So, let us begin. From the moment when we adopt our two beautiful cats, we realize that they love boxes. When I bought the first toy and brought it to the house, they were more interested in playing with the box than the toy itself. So, we decided to build one simple house/sleeping place from 3 boxes which you can see on the screen right now. It was their favorite place to sleep for over a year, but now we decide that it is the time for some upgrade. Actually, we got the idea from one TV portal on the internet where they show one man who builds a sleeping place from old radio, and immediately we get ourselves in search of something similar. When we couldn't find an affordable old radio which we can transform, we got the idea that it can be also done from old TV, and we were lucky to find one very quickly. What you can see on is one very old black and white TV from 1959, which was first one, as the owner said, in the place where she lives. That is one small municipality in Finland. I searched more data about TV and I found that it was indeed from 1959 from manufacturer Schaub Lorenz. I'm not sure is that the right pronunciation, but model is 55330 and Germany is manufacturing place. Okay, first we have to remove the TV tube, also known as cathode ray tube, because we need housing, not the whole TV. Let us get to work. Looks like that we have some monopoly money inside. It is interesting how they make everything simple and with easy access, as you can see. I just needed to remove the speaker, a few screws, a few buttons, and the whole inside can be removed. Even I don't need inside, I was careful not to break something. This was such amazing technology for that time. Today everything was replaced with small transistors and microchips, so you can have TV small as your mobile phone, and this one is heavy about 30 kilograms. I don't have a workshop, so first I will vacuum everything. I don't want to make a big mess in my living room. It looks like the inside is not just Monopoly money, but also some coins, some buttons, and some gun shells. This TV have interesting history. Let me show you my findings and how inside looks like. Also necessary to return one holder of the protective glass that I found inside, and I have to remove these rails which are used to pull out the TV tube. I will also remove the protection foil, which was used to reduce radiation from the tube. For this part, we will have to find something to make floor flat, smooth and beautiful. This will be perfect. Already checking her new bedroom. From the moment we decide to build this, we said that it will be necessary to make some legs, because that would be aesthetically more beautiful, and cats also like elevated surfaces. I already have old wooden legs that I salvaged from an old bed from last year. So I decided to give them a new look. Problem was that I leave them outside on the rain and snow, so they were kind of destroyed. But after good drying, sanding, some cutting, they got new look. In the end, it was necessary to make the entrance, and we decided that it will be in the back. When it was all done, we just need to put everything together. We will protect the floor with some pads on legs. I think that this will be a good spot for legs. It is quite solid, and if necessary, we will add some board to strengthen it. Found some plywood for floor, one nice blanket so cats have soft bed, of course now we need close backside, and let us glue the buttons so everything looks really nice. present to you the best TV of all time. Thanks for watching and support, and if you like what we have done, don't forget to subscribe to watch some new great projects we have in the plan. Hit thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.